Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Chef MMN in the building. Today's video is on how to make chicken curry sauce. I'll be using chicken, onions, carrots, green bell pepper, yellow and red bell peppers. I'll also be using spring onions, curry powder, thyme, bouillon cube and salt. I'll also need corn flour to thicken my sauce, ginger and garlic. First of all, I will go ahead and season my chicken properly. I go in with my salt, bouillon cube, added ground dry pepper. You can use fresh pepper, thyme, onions. Just go ahead and season your chicken as you want. So guys, I will go ahead and cut my vegetables. I start by cutting my carrots. You can cut your vegetables into any desired shape of your choice. So after cutting my carrots, I cut my green bell peppers and set aside. I don't want my vegetables to be too tiny so that it will not melt in the sauce. That's why I'm cutting my vegetables in chunks like this so that it will be visible in the sauce. I want it to shine in the sauce. So after cutting my red bell pepper, I go ahead and cut my yellow bell peppers. Like I said, you can actually cut your vegetables any shape in size of your choice, but don't make it too tiny so that it will not melt in the sauce. After cutting my onions, I put 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, add water to dissolve and set aside. This is going to be what I will use to thicken my sauce. 2 tablespoons is not a standard. It depends on the quantity of sauce you are making. This is okay for the quantity I'm making. To a clean pot, I add some vegetable oil, some onions, garlic and ginger, a little bouillon cube to make the onions fragrant. I go in with my curry powder and stir before adding my marinated chicken. I go in with some water and allow the chicken to cook properly. I go ahead to cut some onions for my sauce. I cut my spring onions and set aside. To another pan, I add some vegetable oil, some onions, chopped garlic and ginger, and I begin to stir fry my vegetables. I add in my carrots first before adding my bell peppers. Stir fry your veggies first. Just briefly stir frying it first before adding it to your sauce gives it a very nice taste and fragrance. Makes your sauce to come out very delicious instead of just cutting the veggies and adding it directly to your sauce. This is just a way of building in more flavors and making your sauce to come out very, very delicious. So I round that up with some spring onions. My chicken curry sauce is almost ready. Just to transfer it to the other pot that I have my chicken, I go ahead and add my stir-fried veggies to my chicken sauce. At this point, you can check for the taste of your sauce, and I checked mine, it's perfectly okay. I go ahead and add my cornstarch slurry, and yeah, my curry chicken is ready. If you've watched this video till this very time, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that others can see. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.